This is making organic molecules with Snatoms. The molecule I was assigned was 1-methyl-3-pyrrolidinol. The molecular formula of this molecule is C5H11NO. It has a molecular weight of 101.1 grams per mole, and this comes from the AMUs of each individual atom present in the molecule, all added up. There's 1 degree of unsaturation, which comes from its ringed structure. There are 2 heteroatoms, nitrogen and oxygen. This gives us our 2 functional groups. Our first functional group is a secondary alcohol. This is from our hydroxyl group being attached to a carbon, and that carbon also attached to 2 other carbons. Our second functional group is a tertiary amine, and this is when our nitrogen atom is bonded to 3 total carbon atoms. One methyl-3-pyrrolidinol has a boiling point between 50 and 52 degrees Celsius. At its physical state at 25 degrees Celsius, it is a liquid. There are 18 total sigma bonds and 0 pi bonds. For the C hybridization of this molecule, all 5 carbons are sp3 hybridized. Now there are 3 lone pairs on this molecule. 2 are attached to the hydroxyl group on the oxygen, and the other being attached to the nitrogen, giving us 3 lone pairs. This molecule has 5 unique carbons and 6 unique hydrogen sets, leading this to be our uniqueness set. Its CAS number is 13220-332. Its PubChem ID is 93074. There's a 3D molecule available for this. This covers most information about the molecule that we need, and now we will go on to make the molecule with the Snatoms kit. Okay, so for the purpose of this, the black represents our carbons, the white represents our hydrogens, the red represents the oxygen, and the blue is our nitrogen. So starting off, we have a 4-carbon ring with a nitrogen attached. And our 5th carbon is attached to the backside of the nitrogen, creating a tertiary amine group. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and attach the secondary alcohol group, and then we're going to finish by adding all of our hydrogens. So this carbon has 3 hydrogens attached. This one has 2. This one also has 2. This one down here at the bottom also has 2. And then on the back side, we have 1 more attached.